Most people chase money, but the rich think about money differently. They don't see money as something to spend, they see it as a tool, a worker, a seed that must multiply. Today I will show you how the rich think about money and how this mindset can change your entire financial life starting today. Listen, money is a tool, not a trophy. While many people see money as something to show off, clothes, cars, parties, the rich see money as a tool that should solve problems and create opportunities. Money to the rich is like a hammer to a carpenter. It is for building, not bragging. They ask, how can this money work for me? How can I multiply this instead of spending it? That is the first mindset shift. The rich focus on assets, not income. Most people think the goal is to earn more salary, but the rich focus on owning assets, things that bring money every day, even when they sleep. Example of assets: a business system, rental property, telecom income streams, digital products, investment, shares, intellectual property. The poor and middle class asks, how much do you pay me? But the rich ask, what asset will you give me? This is why a rich person can make money even when they are not working, because their assets are working. The rich value time over money. The poor spend their time to get money. The rich spend money to buy time. For example, someone earning 100k a month may work 30 days for it, but a rich person may make 100k in a few hours through a system they built years ago. The rich ask, how can I create something once and earn from it repeatedly? How can I automate this? How can I build a network that grows even when I am not there? This is why the rich keep getting richer. They don't trade time for money. They use money to free more time so they can build even bigger things. The rich make money their employee. Most people work for money. The rich make money work for them. They invest, they build systems, they create platforms, they multiply their income sources. If you give an average person money, they think spend. If you give a rich thinker money, they think grow. They ask, where can this money multiply? Where can it produce returns? What platform can I plug into to allow me to earn daily? Money becomes their employee, not their master. The rich understand leverage. The rich don't rely on their own effort alone. They use leverage. Leverage of people, leverage of technology, leverage of networks, leverage of system, leverage of platform. This is why a rich person can build something huge without doing everything by themselves. They ask, how can I do less but achieve more? How do I build a system that works even without my presence? Leverage is how they scale. The rich avoid emotional spending. Many people spend money based on feelings. I feel like buying this. I feel like chilling. I feel like enjoying. But the rich practice financial discipline. They spend based on plan, not emotion. They know if you cannot control your spending, you cannot control your wealth. The rich delay pleasure today so they can enjoy abundance tomorrow. The rich think long term. The poor think in today's. The middle class thinks in months. The rich think in years. Before they spend, they think, how will this decision affect me in 5 years? Will this add to my wealth or reduce it? Is this a seed or a liability? This long-term thinking is the reason small financial decisions today turn into massive wealth later. If you want to become wealthy, start thinking the way the rich think. See money as a tool. Focus on assets. Value your time. Make money your employee. Use leverage. Control your spending. Think long term. The moment your mindset changes, your financial life will begin to change too. If this message inspired you, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with someone who needs clarity today. Your journey to wealth begins with one decision.